Because of its ultra-thin and light body, the Honor Magic V2 is a lot of people's favorite in 2023. After all, people just hate phones that are too heavy and too thick. Honor saw that people like the V2 so much that they announced the Magic V2 RSR. Although it's not the Magic V3, this Porsche design version here is a bit different compared to the regular one. So first, let me introduce you guys to some of the upgrades. One of the big upgrades is the accessories. Look at the box, it's so big, which means there must be a lot of accessories. When you open the lid, in addition to the phone, there's a stylus next to it. With that kind of price tag, it makes sense to give away a stylus, I think. Underneath them are 3 boxes and a car pin. Let's start with the box in the center. Inside, there's a very delicate case that is similar in design to the back cover of the phone. There's also a long case inside that is designed for the stylus. It's also textured with vegan leather and the lid is magnetic, which really makes the stylus look like a fancy fountain pen. The remaining 2 large boxes look as if they are identical, and in fact, they are. Both are 66-watt charger with a USB-A to C cable. The only difference is the type of plug they come with. Because this is the global version of the phone and they don't know which type of socket is used in your region, some brands will give you 2 chargers even you just buy 1 phone, while there are some brands that won't give you even 1 charger. I think we all know which phone will be more favorable. Of course, the biggest change in the phone is the back cover design, which is made by the collaboration with Porsche. What do you think of the design? Honor says its back cover is inspired by the sleek exteriors and durability of the Porsche 911. The camera module is also inspired by the precision and performance of Porsche cars. I do feel that this is better looking and more business-like than the regular version. Whenever I mention the Magic V2, I have to bring up the incredible thickness and weight. Of course, the RSR version keeps that up, only 4 grams heavier than the regular version, but still lighter than the iPhone 14 Pro Max. About that stylus in the box, to be honest, it's the first time I've used a stylus on an Honor foldable phone. I was shocked by the super low writing latency. If I didn't take the shot in slow motion, I couldn't even feel the latency. Previously, such a writing experience was only available on the iPad, and I'm glad that Honor has done the same. Anyway, for a foldable phone, the Magic V2 RSR made a great first impression. I have nothing to complain about. The Magic V2 RSR version has the same good screen as the regular version, both the internal and external screens. However, if you purchase the RSR version, you will get an upgrade to the external screen protection glass. This nano crystal shield glass is 10 times more drop and scratch resistant than the regular nano crystal glass. Plus, it can hover so you can do what I do, shoot without tripod, even with the screen underneath without fear of getting scratched. Speaking of the camera, Honor has also put a lot of effort into the Magic V2. Let's start with a feature unique to the RSR version, the watermark. How do you let people know you've got a new phone? Aside from putting the phone right in their faces, the other most direct way is to post a photo with a watermark on IG or Twitter. That way, the whole world knows that this person is f***ing rich. I mean, that way the world knows you bought a new foldable phone designed by Porsche. Other than that feature, the hardware and software are just like the regular version. All 3 cameras perform well with vibrant colors and good dynamic range. Even at night, it retains superb detail. Is it because it has a strong sharpening algorithm? No, it doesn't sharpen much and the hairs all look natural. By the way, the macro feature of this ultra-wide camera is better than expected. I'm happy to use a macro mode to take such photos. For a foldable phone, the Magic V2 RSR is as good as many flagship phones. I'm still very pleased with the camera system. The AI motion sensing capture feature should also be one of the highlights of Magic V2. With AI, it can automatically help you capture some great moments when you forgot to press the shutter. I think this feature is very helpful for people who have pets or kids. You know, they're always not very cooperative with you when taking photos. It doesn't always capture the image you want, but it's always good to have this feature as an insurance. Compared to live photos, I prefer this solution for taking photos of moving objects. Obviously, the Magic V2 RSR version is designed for those who feel the regular version isn't special enough. It has a more premium design, more scratch-resistant protective glass, more personalized watermarks, and more accessories such as 2 chargers and a stylus. I think the V2 RSR should be Honor's new best buy photo phone until the Magic V3 comes. So, what do you think about the Magic V2 RSR? Feel free to let us know in the comments. This is Will from Gizmochina. See you next time.